E21 error code is another heat system related error code. And basically what this is it's a slow heat recovery. So what that means is the PMU board down here has seen that it has taken longer than 1 minute and 40 seconds for electric models to heat from 250 degrees to 300 degrees. So what it looks like to troubleshoot the E21 error code is first we want to check our power cord where it's plugged into the wall. Sometimes what can happen is it's not plugged in all the way and it will actually lose one of the phases in its heating. So we actually only have 2 of the 3 phases heating, and sometimes that alone can cause the heat recovery fault. So if that's not the case, and we know that our power cord is good, and also we want to check and make sure that we have all 3 phases at our plug-in receptacle, and if that's good, then we can come to the back of the fryer, and what we can do is just make sure that our contactors are good and that we have all 3 phases going across our heat contactor coming out to our elements. If we know that all 3 phases are checking good and that our contactors are good, then we can concentrate on taking an amp draw of our elements. We might end up having an element problem to where one of the elements is faulty, or maybe one of the phases of the element is drawing low amps. So this is where we could take our meter with our amp clamp and go ahead and check amp draw on our element wires to determine if we have an element issue or end up having a contactor issue. And that's the way we would troubleshoot the E21 error code.